everyone, it's Miss Muckleroy. I wanted to make a video about a posture exercise that you're going to be learning at band camp this week. It's called the Hindu exercise. In this exercise, we will break down your posture one element at a time until it's the exact opposite of what it should be. Then we will build it back up by those elements until you are standing with beautiful posture by the very end. This exercise functions off your 5 points of alignment in your posture. The first being your head, then your shoulders, your hips, your knees, and then your ankles. I'll show you what the entire exercise looks like, and then we'll break it down and do it together. So each move takes 8 counts, and we'll start at the top and then break it down. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. So each move takes 8 counts. The first 4 being the move and the last 4 being the stretch. It starts with the very top point of alignment and goes down to the very bottom. The first one is your head. So we'll take 4 counts to move our chin to our chest and then 4 more counts to stretch. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look back up at me. The next move is our shoulders. Here we're going to want to move the shoulders back, up, and to the front, ending with our arms and wrists crossed. I'll get a closer view for you to see that. So our shoulders are going to move back, up, and forward so that our arms are crossed in the front. So you're breaking down your posture in your back. Let's do the first 2 moves together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. This should be what you look like after the first 2 moves. The next 2 moves have to do with your back. There's 2 sections, your upper back and your lower back. For the move with the upper back, you're going to bend down your back and stretch until you get to a point where if you were to stretch further, you would have to bend at the hip. So let's do just that move together. Go to the position we're ending after the first 2 moves. So chin to chest, shoulders rolled forward. Let's move our upper backs. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice here, my back is curved just enough to where if I were to go further, I would have to be bending at my hips. So here's what it looked like after the first 3 moves. The next move is your lower back. So here's where you're bending at the hips. Let's do it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you'll notice here, the movement of my lower back bending all the way down as far as I can is a much bigger movement than the small movement of just my chin to my chest. So that means that this is going to feel like it's moving faster over the 4 counts than the chin to the chest, which feels like it's moving slower over the 4 counts because it's a smaller motion. Let's go ahead and do the first 4 moves together. So chin to chest, shoulders back up and around, upper back bent, and then the lower back bending all the way down. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And shoulders, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Upper back is next. Upper back, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Lower back is next. Lower back, 2, 3, 4. The final movement is the very last point of alignment, which is our feet. So here we'll be bending our legs all the way down to the ground until we reach a little ball shape. Again, this is a big motion, getting your hips all the way to the ground. It's bigger than a small motion like your chin to your chest, so it's going to feel like you're moving faster over the 4 counts. Here's what the last motion looks like. So I'll go to my chin, my shoulders, my upper back, my lower back, and this is the last move. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, you'll notice my chin is still to my chest, my shoulders are still rolled, and my back is curved. I'm in a tight little ball, and this is the exact opposite of what your entire posture should be. So at this point, we've broken every point of the alignment down. The next move is bringing it back up in those 8-count increments. So doing the exact opposite of what we did. So we'll start with our legs, then the lower back, then the upper back, the shoulders, and finally the chin. I'll show you what it looks like. So I'm in my little ball, ending the breakdown, and now we're going to build it up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Chin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So by the very end, I've built up the posture by each element to where I'm standing just like if I were aligning all of my points of alignment. So on the way up, I aligned my hips and my ankles, I aligned my shoulders and my wrists by my pant seams, and I aligned my chin up looking towards the horizon. So let's do the whole exercise together. We're going to break it down and then build it up. The first move is the chin, then the shoulders, then the upper back, the lower back, and the legs. Building it back up, it's the opposite way. The legs, the lower back, the upper back, shoulders, and then the chin. Let's do it all together. Here we go. And I'll turn this way so you can see me. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chin. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and build it back up, and legs. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lower back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Upper back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders up and around and back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Head. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. During this exercise, I would like to think about each element as you're breaking it down and building it back up. So you have 4 counts to feel how your shoulders are moving, to feel how your chin and your knees are moving, and then on the way up, those 4 counts to build each element on top of each other and feel how they're moving to the correct spot to where by the very end you have built a beautiful posture. There is going to be a second video with the Hindu exercise where we learn to stretch our spines and go to a plank position with our arms. Look out for that one next. Thank you guys.